What's up? It's your boy, the Canologist. We're back. We're going to be doing Chapter 4, URIs for client-side. HTTP, and go. What fishing level am I at? Okay, I got 27k till the next level. So I'm not really concerned about that. Let's go to URI. So that's Uniform Resource Identifier. Unique character sequence that identifies a resource, almost always accessed via internet. I should get a dragon spear technically, because I could raise my fishing levels by 3. I don't need to for now. Let's go back to URIs. Okay, URLs, identifier. Just like Golang syntax has syntax rules so do URIs. These rules help ensure uniformity. Any program can interpret the meaning. URLs and URNs. Okay. URI. Name. Locator is L. All URLs are URIs. That's true. All URIs are URLs. That's false because you have URNs. It's for locator and name. Just make sure that screen's not frozen because people complain about that. There's only 12 lessons here. We're making our way through it, honestly. We're doing good. Sections of a URL. Some are required, some are not. So the host name is part of the URL that you want, and maybe the page name. But you don't really need the www dot. You don't need it. That's just so you use the same protocol. I'm just curious. Okay, so I added to my notes. Assignment, few sections, a section of URL, URL.URL struct. This time we'll parse the URL string and add all the different parts to a custom parsed URL struct. Complete the new parsed URL function. It should return a parsed URL with all the parts of a URL. For example, given this URL, new parsed URL should return a struct with these fields. I mean, I guess. Scheme, use your username, user.password. Return parsed URL. Declared and not used parsed URL. Return it empty if there's an error. URL parse, URL string. I get the parsed URL. It should map to this. Do I just map it to? How would I use this? Okay, so let's look at this. Go straight to the documentation. Like if you don't get some shit, just look at the documentation always. So let's go here. I'm not fully sure how to do this. We may need to consult boots. So let's use the URL.URL struct again, which is this guy. Parse the URL string and add all the different parts to a custom parse struct. It should return a simple parsed URL, for example, given this URL struct. Two values where the password is set or not. Oh, unless I go parsed URL dot scheme, parsed URL dot user dot thing. That looks like how it's being actually used here. If I go to the top, u.scheme, u.thing. This is URL parse. u.q, u.raw query. Okay, so that's basically this. I think I get it now. Reset the lesson, confirm. So this is now going to be this. Password, host name, because we're basically splitting the URL into a bunch of parts. That should work. Parse URL.raw query undefined. Okay, it's capital. That should work. 19.3 cannot call function type of variable parse URL.path. Parse URL.path. Let me delete that. It's not a function. Parse URL.password. Oh, that user.password. So you just go to the error checker and then try to solve. Okay, so 16 line 3 is the 16 user.password. This method returns two values. The password if set. Password string. String bool. Have once. Oh, I can go string bool like that. String bool, okay. I don't know how to make this work. Like, this is the right way to do it. Now it's like username and password. This method returns two values. Password if set. And whether it was set. So error. Can I separate a field? Returns the password in case it's set. User info function password. String bool. How do I get string bool from this? Ah, there. If I go string bool. I don't know how to get around this part. So let's ask Boots. Before the return statement, handle the two return values. Okay. For user.password. Okay, so I can go parsed URL. Oh, this is two values. So we only want the one value for password. So we're gonna actually just handle it beforehand. So basically we're gonna go if, or we're gonna go password. And you guys can already guess what's next. So this returns two values. If that's true, if error, empty string, error. Otherwise, just return password here, which I could just feed here. Should work. Bool does not implement error missing method. 15.14 and then 13.9. So 13.9. This should work. What should you name the second variable instead of error? And it's like solve for why it's not doing what it's supposed to do. URL parse can actually fail. Never fails. Either has a password or it doesn't. The string is the actual password value. Bool tells you whether or not it's passed. Okay. Okay, so it would be like this, I guess. So password, parsed URL. Oh, this gets the URL string. But that gets .hostname. What's password? Like, still that's not been answered. Oh, let's try that. Password has password. Oh, because it's already assigned to line 8. So technically, if I did error 1, I'm just curious. This one's a little tricky. Oh, you have to put this in here. You have to return both the string and the boolean. Has password. Compiler's complaining that you declared it as password but never used it. Oh, I don't need an error is what it's saying. Because it's always going to work. Declared and not used. Run. I see. Okay, so it's basically saying this could fail, so you have to have an error clause. This, we have to parse it, but it's always going to work. So we just pass the success case to password. That makes sense. It's just that it's very syntaxy, which is annoying as fuck. We'll do the rest in another session tomorrow. So for now, you can all just like, subscribe, comment below. We're going to keep doing these till we're done. The client and server course. And whatever Golang courses we can get done on here. Because I want to become really proficient with Golang. So with that, peace out.